Hey, welcome back. This is me, Yusra, and this video gonna be about Instagram. So I'm gonna tell you that how you can add your comments on your Instagram story. So let's start the video and go into your Play Store or App Store. Search your Instagram. Tap on Instagram. You can see that there is an update on Instagram, so I'm going to update it, and you have to make sure your Instagram is updated because this is the newest feature of Instagram. So just wait some time and let's see. After updating the app, open your Instagram app. Here my page has been open right now here. So go into the profile and choose the comment which you want on your story. Like if I get this real comment, so these are the comments. You can choose anyone, but I'm choosing the first one, and after that slightly grab from right to left on the comment. Here this is the story icon showing here, so tap on it. Look here, the story with comment has been there, and you can also select the size and then the position of the comment. After that, go into the story and you can see that it's uploading and getting some time. Look here, the comment story has been uploaded over there, so you can also upload your comments if they are on the post or reels, anyone. If this tutorial is helpful, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.